Yeah, so today we're replacing Drew with Bruce. I think he has more talent.
I don't think anyone's going to complain.
No, I don't think so. Come on, buddy.
He gets to work.
Good boy. Oh, you clumsy little...
Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to another table talk.
Yeah, this has been a while.
It really has been a while.
It has been a while.
Now, main purpose of this video, we've got a lot of big events coming up and we've had a lot of questions from you guys, rightly so, because there's a lot going on, there's a lot of details.
Yeah, there is.
And some real exciting stuff for us, next level stuff.
This is a big year for Accelerate, so...
We did say it, I know a lot of people say, but
Everyone
we said...
says it.
Yeah, but this is hopefully going to be our year and we are already making moves to make that happen.
Yeah.
So... in no particular order, we're going to run through our main events. We've got some.
Yeah, you need to save these dates.
Yes, very quickly is we're hosting our own track day at Llandow. We've got our own standard spring action day, and we've got a mega road trip plan. That's the main thing. So we're going to go into detail of each one. So let's get started.
Let's get it started.
Like I'm not doing that thing again.
Right, so the first one we're going to talk about today is our exclusive hire track day at Llandow.
Now, the biggest thing at the moment, I don't think a lot of people realise, we have rented Llandow for the day.
Yes.
Accelerate has hired Llandow Circuit for the day. So anyone that's joining us, we will basically have exclusive access to that track all day.
Yeah.
And sorry, we do want to stress that all spectators are not only welcome, they're encouraged. We met a lot of people last time who came down just to meet us. Absolutely love it.
Come on
if you
down.
want to come on down.
Yeah, the cafe's open. Obviously,
Yes.
there's people on track and come and talk to everyone. Do you know what I mean? And you can obviously watch what's going on.
Yep, the atmosphere is going to be phenomenal.
awesome.
And there's already people booked, so it's going to be a good day.
Yeah, no, well, just started then. So track day is the 23rd of May, which is a Tuesday. Now, the reason we've chosen that day, it is the cheaper option. It's not cheap to hire a track for a day.
No, as you can imagine, we are taking a big gamble on this because it's basically all on us to get it booked, and then people that book with us, then we do the cost that way, but it is a big gamble for us. So the reason we've done it on a Tuesday, as Kenny said, is to keep cost down because it's our very first one.
Yeah.
We need to see how it goes. We do trust you guys because you guys are so supportive.
Of course,
but that's the reason. There's always that risk.
Yeah, exactly. Now, if you want to come to that, contact me. Not you. Contact me.
Yeah, the Instagram is run by myself. As many of you know, I am useless with getting back to people. I'm so forgetful.
You're just busy.
I'm always editing. So either the Facebook group or contact Kenny directly.
Yeah, give me a shout. Prices is going to be, we're looking at around 15 to 20 people. Bear in mind, 8 have booked already.
8?
Well, yeah, including ourselves.
I thought it was, wicked. Oh my, thank you guys. That's amazing.
Yeah, this is what I mean. And we got people already lined up. But I've had to just say, hang on just a second, because I know a lot of our boys who we've done features and stuff with, obviously we want to give back. So they are just waiting to get paid in a few days.
So please, we're not just saying it to fill this.
No.
They're filling up, like you said, we have got people who are asking, but like Kenny said, we want to try and give you guys who've been loyal to us a chance, but we can't hold them forever.
No, and we're going a maximum of 20, so, but if you do want to come and you want to see if there's any availability, just give me a shout and I'll try and sort it out. Prices are going to be, depending on the number of cars, if we can get the 20 cars we're looking for, it's only £125 each. Obviously, passenger, passenger wristbands are going to be £30 on the day, but they've got to be registered first thing in the morning. You can't just turn up later and be a passenger. Yeah, so we'll just go through all that. If it's 15 cars, £166 each. I do require a £100 deposit.
Yep.
And that's needed by next week, basically. So I don't know when this video is going to be out.
We'll get this video out ASAP.
Yeah, we'll get this out soon. Yeah, so... yeah,
let me just reiterate, even £166, that's worst case.
Yeah.
Guys, that's us having the track for the day. That's all of us. What we're going to do in the morning, get everyone together. I know a lot of you already know each other, but we're going to get everyone acquainted, so there's going to be no idiots on track. There's going to be...
Yeah, no, I want to stress that. It's not a race day.
We've already had 1 or 2 people.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. I've had someone message me and say, I want to see what my car's like against you. I ain't racing no one.
We're going to have fun, don't get me wrong, but we're trying... It's our first time at Llandow. We want to be doing this again and again, so we want to build up. We've got a reputation to uphold, so please only come if you're going to drive sensibly.
Exactly, yeah. So, but apart from that, it's going to be a wicked day.
Yeah, I mean, we just can't stress it. We are so excited. We're very nervous and anxious, but we know it's going to be an amazing day either way.
Exactly, yeah. So I think that'll cover that.
Yeah.
Hello.
That's not Bruce, as you probably
I was going to say, I'm dog sitting.
It's like a zoo up here at the moment.
Dogs in a zoo? What type of zoo?
I haven't been to many zoos.
Oh my God. So the next thing we're going to talk about is our road trip.
sorry about that, folks. That's what happens when you've got 2 dogs running around, they're not one.
Nightmare. So the dates of this road trip are the 11th of April till the 13th. That's 2 nights. It is a Tuesday to a Thursday. Now, it's on the bank holiday week. So you've got the bank holiday weekend, Friday to Monday, and then we're going on the Tuesday. That makes sense?
Yeah, I've booked Monday off. I already got off.
You don't have
Sorry. Yeah, so I wonder why you did it on a Tuesday. Right, that makes sense.
Yeah, so you only have 4 days off.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Anyway, that's, with Tuesday to Thursday, 2 nights. I've got some pricing on hotels. Just before I go any further, we were going to do this on our own.
Yeah, let's say that the whole
us.
point of this, we've wanted to do it for a while, we've been in talks. So the plan was me and Kenny were going to head out, finalise the routes, because Kenny had some really good ideas. I think we mentioned it to like 1 or 2 people, word spread, and people have asked to join us, which I think is just...
It's awesome. Do you mean we weren't expecting to do that? Because we're going to do it as an annual thing.
Yes.
But yeah, we've got a few people who are already coming. Several people are already
booked
coming
already,
with us.
which is class, thank you.
Yep, so if you guys want to come, give me a shout. Yeah. Like I said, we will be sorting the hotels out. It's probably going to be quite limited though, due to the fact that it's a bank holiday week and it's half term.
And it's our first thing, so we don't really know what.
Yeah, but it's going to be awesome. All I can say is it's 2 nights, a lot of driving, a lot of places to stop. It's not a race or a rally.
Yeah, we don't want to stress. If you're looking for a race and a rally, don't bother coming, because this is literally about enjoying the cars, enjoying the scenery. The scenery is going to be...
Yeah, the only thing I'm giving away, we're staying in Wales.
Yes, so we are exploring the best that Wales has to offer.
Amazing roads.
Obviously, we're going to be filming it, so if you want to be on the video, if you don't, but either way, your car can be on the video. I'm hopefully going to be hopping to different cars, getting some different shots, and we'll do fly, but we'll do a bit of everything. So it's going to be...
this is it. We'll hopefully have the drone up. Do you know what I mean? We'll get some really good shots. And,
it's going to be all about the drive and all about the scenery.
It is, yeah, and obviously spending time together. We're going to be obviously having some food in the night, a pint or 2. So it's just going to be chill.
Yeah,
but
getting everyone to know each other.
It's going to be class. Like I said, loads of people who want to come. Just can't wait.
Yes, cannot wait for that.
Next point.
If you are joining us, drop a comment below.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, give us a shout. I am taking the Civic. We're going up in the Civic. So.
Oh yeah, people have asked. We were going to take the.
I was going to take the Mondeo.
The Mondeo, because it was just us going, but I think he felt a bit pressured, and I was like, "Come on, we're going on good roads." Everyone's bringing some cool cars, so he wants to bring the Civic.
He's got his own car.
I'm not taking mine.
The Civic. But yeah, that's cool. That's what we're doing anyway.
Yep.
So, next point, Spring Action Day, which is on the 1st of April at Castle Combe.
And do you know why this is a biggie for us? Because it's our first event. You guys asked for it.
Yeah,
we are hosting our own stand.
Yeah, now this is full already. I only went for 20 spaces because I thought we might fill them, we might not.
I thought 20 was ambitious. Like I said, loads of people have asked, but we get a lot of people asking stuff of us, and when it comes down to it, they go silent.
Yes.
So we thought, we'll play it safe. When Kenny said 20 spaces, I was like, oh no, this is going to be a disaster. But
I could have filled 30 to 40.
Yeah, or he said to me the other day, he was like, I really wanted to come with you, but he said by the time I checked, it was booked. So thank you guys so much. And I mean, that's booked, committed, you guys.
It's done, do you know what I mean? We'll be putting up some meeting points and stuff closer to the date.
Yeah.
We're still waiting for tickets, obviously, to come through.
Mr. Organiser, so yeah, it will be organised, trust me.
It will be,
I won't get involved, don't worry.
No, you won't get nothing at all.
I'll just
you'll turn up on the morning. We're like, where is everyone?
Yeah, I'll still do it wrong. Yeah.
So yeah, we just can't wait for that one. We've been asked to do like Summer Action Day and stuff. Now, we've got so much going on at the moment. We're still a bit umming and ahhing about doing
Not
that.
100% sure. Again, it's why we always see, a lot of people don't realise, we've got an Accelerate group on Facebook, a group.
Yeah.
That you can get involved in, you can post stuff. We do all of the updates on there. The Instagram is more for just advertise, I don't know, bits that are coming up, showing off cars.
Yeah.
People have been messaging it, and I am useless. So if you have, I do apologise. But this is why I say,
get on a Facebook group and just message me instead.
Either Kenny or Facebook, either one.
Yes. So yeah, can't wait for that one. So like I said, Summer Action Day, maybe. But the next one we are doing, Cruise Culture, which is at Carmarthen Showground, August the 27th on a Sunday. It's a bank holiday weekend as well, that.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I keep forgetting about that.
Yeah.
Now, the great thing about this is Cruise Culture actually contacted us, which I didn't believe, because I think they contacted Kenny, and Kenny rang me.
Yeah.
Which is amazing. We went last year. The show is just getting bigger and bigger.
It is.
It was a good show, and the video was very, it was a successful video as well.
Yeah, it was a good day. Do you mean? We went years ago when it first started, and it was very small. There wasn't much going on.
Yeah.
But like this year, they got Swamp Thing there.
Oh, yeah.
Which we have been, me and
which
you've
is
been in.
obviously the monster truck.
Yeah.
When we were there, massive shout out to Swamp Thing because it was a long day Formula G, it was, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, Brands Hatch.
Yeah, so if you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it because it was so fascinating. They took the time to talk us through the truck that transports it all over Europe.
In their sleeping area.
Yeah, and the guy who he designed it all himself, and I got to sit in Swamp Thing, so monster trucks are going to be there. Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, that's something else that's happening there.
But the best thing is, we were going to go with another club as we normally do.
Yeah.
But now we're actually doing our own stand.
Yeah, what happened was, I just put the post out that Cruise Culture is happening on the 27th, and all of a sudden people asked, are we having our own stand?
I love you. You guys are awesome.
Yeah, so I just thought,
didn't even consider it, but
we were going to do Spring Action Day this year just purely because we've got so much going on.
Yeah.
But why not?
Great opportunity.
Why
so
not?
why not? Amen.
Tickets are about £9 each, I think. £9.
It's mad, isn't it?
Yeah.
I know a lot of people complained about Castle Combe. They've doubled their prices. I mean, Cruise Culture, £9 for a day out, and the show is huge.
Yeah, like I said, there's loads there. There's food trucks, there's show and shine, there's so many cars on
and
display.
they're doing it bigger every year. That's one thing I do respect about Luke and Cruise Culture and everything.
Yes.
Every time we go, it is getting bigger. So.
Yeah, no, we're also going to be going to some of their promo stuff as well, so keep an eye out for that.
Yeah, we've been invited to that, so...
That's awesome. Absolutely amazing.
Cannot wait.
So, yeah, if you want to come to that, once again, drop me a message.
Yep, if you want to come on stand with us. Yeah.
Don't drop him a message.
Do not contact the Accelerate Instagram.
Yeah.
Please, because I always feel bad when I forget to message.
Facebook group.
Message people back. Yeah. Honestly, the Facebook group,
everything.
I think I can link it in the description. I'll put the link in there because that is the best way to get the information. We put all the information on there, or just contact Kenny directly on Facebook.
Yeah, drop us a message. If you are going to add me on Facebook, though, please just say you're a subscriber because I don't know who the hell.
We got loads of random.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah. Anyway, the last thing we're going to get onto is the features are back.
Not only back, they're booking up fast.
Yeah. I've already booked March. So I mean, we are halfway through February, all the way through now till April.
We've got some amazing cars. We've got there's amazing builds in the progress, which is fine. Like once they're done, let us know.
You're still early in the year, do you mean?
But one thing I do want to say that I've noticed, a lot of people are sort of like, oh, do I want to feature my car? Or, which we understand is your pride and joy.
Yeah.
But what we tend to have is someone will come and do a feature with us, absolutely love the day, love the experience, their words. And then they'll go and tell their friends with cool cars and be like, oh my God, okay, they respect the cars, because this...
Yeah,
they know what they're talking about and they respect them.
Exactly.
So we've had a few bookings from that as well. So honestly, guys, we pride ourselves on respecting cars and our reputation. And because of you guys, our reputation is spreading, which is
it's great.
Incredible.
That's what we want. That's what we need.
This is why we do it. So if you are worried about people driving the car, like I said, just watch a few of our videos. You'll see what we're all about.
You can tell us whether to go nuts or not.
Yeah, but we always judge off what people... We've had a few cars where we've driven it, turned the camera off, and they've said, drive it harder. Why are you not driving it harder?
Exactly.
So amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Yep. So big year coming up for Excel. I know everyone says that.
I was just going to say, I don't want to be one of those people. But
it really is. So, I mean, we started off 2 years ago now. That's all we've been going.
That's mad.
A lot of people don't know that. Do you mean a lot of people think...
No, we've been going forever.
Saying that, yeah, we are new. We're still new. But
I still consider us small fish. We are new. We're still finding our feet. I mean, we're still trying different things. So this is what I mean. Do you know when you guys asking us to do club stands? We're hosting a freaking track day. We've been doing this 2 years.
We never thought that'd be happening yet. Do you know what I mean? We thought that was like a 5-year thing.
Yeah.
But it's like even the merch. Do you mean people contact us all the time? If you want merch, we got new hoodies coming out with the new designs.
Again, on the Facebook group, all the information's on there because although the design's done, we're still on about quality because we are being picky with quality.
Oh, we've got to be. You know, we want you guys to have the best. Do you know what I mean?
Yep.
So yeah.
So everyone says it. I genuinely think 2023 is going to be a huge year for us because we're trying different. We're taking a lot of risks.
We are. Like the track day was a big scary thing, and I just thought, you know what, let's do it.
Yeah, for you guys because we know the support we get from you guys is always awesome, and you guys will give us the confidence to do it. So.
This is it, isn't it? Once again, we wouldn't be here without you. So just keep backing us, and we'll just go bigger and bigger and bigger.
Amen, brother.
Yeah. No, I think we better call it a day because it was light. It was. I know you're always cold though, but it was sunny when we first come out.
It was sunny. It looks like it's about to pour down.
Dodgy now. So yeah.
So as always, guys, I know we say it just becomes a line, but thank you so much for your support. Obviously don't forget to subscribe. But yes, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
Woo! Dogs.
I was going to say, stop these dogs.